So let me show y'all how to do a quick peach cobbler. I'm going to show y'all the filling, okay, because I made the crust the other day. So what you do is you put your cans of peaches in a pot. You put some sugar in there and you put a whole stick of butter, only if you're using 2 cans of peaches. Put you some cinnamon in there, and if you want nutmeg, you can add that too. I just put some cinnamon and went on ahead and just whip this on around and go on ahead and let this thing percolate. We want the butter to melt. We want the heat with the peaches. Yes, we do. So we can go ahead and dissolve all of this cinnamon. Give it a taste. And if the spices aren't right, you want to go ahead and add more of whatever it needs. This one needed some more of that sugar. So that's what I did. Now, we're not going to put no cornstarch in our peach cobbler because we want it to be juicy. The more crust and the more juice, the better. And as you can see, we have some cinnamon that has not bursted. So what we're going to do is just keep on spinning it. You got to keep on making for sure that you do turn this around and around. You want that to burst. And so it's looking real good. Do y'all see that? Can you smell it? I know. I wish you could. Smells so good. Now give it another taste. If it needs anything at this time, go on and add it. Mine is done. So I put my vanilla extract in there. After you turn that fire off, you can take it all the way off the eye though. Just take it off the eye and add your vanilla. Now we just dumping it all in that crust that I made. All butter. Natural crust. So delicious and flaky. So I'm going to go ahead and put all of the strips on top of this peach cobbler. Because like I said, the more crust, the better. So good. Y'all can thank me later. And just go ahead and get all the things I just told you to get. So you can go ahead and make you this quick and easy. It may cost you about $5 to $7 to make your own peach cobbler at home. Go on ahead and get you the vanilla ice cream or the butter pecan, whatever you like. Get your ice cream and get ready to enjoy this peach cobbler. See, I can't even talk. Y'all see this peach cobbler? Go on ahead and enjoy. Talk to you later. Bye.